Investing is important. It might not be something you think about when you're just starting, but what many people don't know is investing when you're young is the best time to do it. And I'm going to be talking about the top 3 investments you need right now, today, on That's a Farm. Let's start with the basics. What is an investment exactly? The simplest answer to this question is, an investment is the practice of putting money into different things with the expectation of earning profits in the future. And who doesn't like a good profitability? I know I do. There are thousands, perhaps millions of things you can invest in, but the very best, in my opinion, are these top 3. But before we read the first one, I want to give you the most important rule of investing in anything. The most important rule is to diversify your funds. To make this easier to understand, let me give you an example. Imagine that these eggs are your money and that basket is an investment. If you put all your eggs into one basket, there is a chance that you might trip and fall and all your eggs would be broken. In other words, your investments fail and you lose all your money. However, if you put your eggs in not just one but multiple baskets, you have much less of a chance of losing every cent you put in. And now that we've cleared that up, let's get to the investments. At number 3, we have cryptocurrency. Crypto is a digital virtual currency that uses cryptology on a ledger to protect transactions. Whatever that means. It's kind of hard to understand, but like any investment, do your research on it. Whether we like it or not, cryptocurrency is the future to buying and trading in today's society. Because the dollar is losing value at a rapid rate because the government keeps printing more of it. There are thousands of different cryptos out there in the digital world, but to make your decision on which one, do your research. And when you've made your decision, invest just a little bit. Do not go overboard on this investment, as this investment is a high risk / high reward. At number 2, we have, things. These things being hard physical assets, which can be land, real estate, antiques, and even Lego sets. I'm not kidding, research it. An example of this investment is when I bought an old stove from an auction for $15, which I cleaned up, made it look nice, and sold it for $400. If you want to watch the video on how I did that, I'll leave it in the end screen. Another example from experience is live animals. I have a chicken business where I buy fertilized eggs, incubate them in my incubator, and sell the chicks or the laying hens for profits. My family also raises puppies to sell, which is very profitable. Give me the money. And since we're a farm, we also raise sheep and sell them too. I also have a video on that one. The only problem with live animal investments is the probability of them dying and you making nothing. If you're going for non-living investments, try Facebook Marketplace, auctions, or your local yard sale group. And finally, at the number 1 spot, the greatest investment you can make right now, in my humble opinion, is the precious metal, silver. For thousands of years, people have used silver for money and trade. It is one of the safest investments, with it always keeping its value or going up. I started investing in silver when I was only 8 years old. When I was that age, I could buy a silver ounce just like this one for $15. And now this silver ounce has doubled to almost $30. But the real question is, why is silver worth anything at all? It is because it's hard to mine silver out of the earth and make it pure. All that work to create this little coin right here makes it worth what it is. Now, there are 2 ways you can buy silver to invest in it. The first one is to go to a website and order it. There are plenty of them that do this, like Bold Precious Metals, JM Bullion, SD Bullion, and APMEX. The other way is to look through your change. If you have any kind of American dime, quarter, or half dollar from 1964 or older, you, my friend, are the proud owner of a 90% silver coin. And if you're wondering about silver's wealthier cousin, gold, I would say it's a good investment, but 1 ounce of gold costs $2,000 as of 2024. So unless you want to buy a small little gram of gold, then gold is probably not for you when you're just starting out for investing. And there you have it. That's what you young or beginning investors can invest in. And please subscribe so I can start making more money to invest in some more silver. You can never have enough of it. Give me the money. And thank you for watching. That's a farm.